Material nylon. ColorWhite. BrandPrince Lionheart. Item weight 0.2 pounds. Nylon. Imported. Polyester hammock that gets toys up off the floor. Stretchy material. Expands to 6 feet, 1.83 meters, 72 by 48 by 48 inches. Easy to install, uninstall and reinstall. Includes 3 hooks to fit any corner. Plain and simple, fits all decor. Great storage solution for any room in your house. A fun way to pick up toys. The jumbo toy hammock gets the mess up off the floor with 6 feet of strong, polyester hammock storage for bears, bunnies and all their favorite toys. Your kids will love throwing their stuff into the hammock. Adults can easily install with 3 hooks that screw into the wall. Plain and simple, this is a great storage solution for any room in your house. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. This has a ton of stretch. Takes a minute to really figure out how far you want the ends to be as you start filling it. We've had ours for quite a while now and have had no problems.